Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here at STILIZ. I know it's been a while, but I have some news for you guys. As you can tell by the title of this video, I am wrapping my car. Sadly, I'm gonna be getting rid of the pink, but it's a bittersweet moment because I'm gonna be moving on to a color that I've honestly always wanted to do. I was just kind of waiting for the right time, and I feel like now is the perfect time. So I'm gonna be wrapping my car in the next few days. Today I'm actually gonna be doing a photo shoot with Subieflow. We met out here in a really nice spot that I've always wanted to shoot at. So we're gonna do a little photo shoot before my car gets unwrapped. But yeah, I'm gonna be recording the whole photo shoot for you guys today. I did take my car to the car wash this morning. I forgot to film. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's gonna be a short one. So we just finished the shoot and we actually got some rollers in too, which I'm really excited about because I love me some rollers. It just looks so cool in my opinion. I need to remember to change my taillights because I've driven off with them being in this mode and this is illegal. So I need to remember to do that right now. It was overall a good photo shoot. Like I said, it was a bittersweet moment. It's the last time that I'm going to be doing a photo shoot with her being pink. It's okay, I definitely enjoyed having a pink car. It turned a lot of heads on the freeway, a lot of thumbs up, a lot of little girls being like, oh my gosh, I love your car. It was so cute. But to be honest, it was a nice era and I'm excited for this next color. I'm not going to tell you guys what color it is, but you guys will see on my next video. Like I said, this was going to be a short video. Also, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I did post on there. I haven't been driving this car as much because I did get a daily. I bought a Corolla. She's a white little cute Corolla. Put it on here. It's a hybrid. I am driving a lot more for work, so I really needed a gas saver because this thing can eat. I'll tell you that. So yeah, I decided to get a second car and I love having a daily. Honestly, it's just such a hassle having to drive my car because I'm always scared to like mess up my lip or just in general, just I need to drive carefully. And with my daily, it's not that I don't drive carefully, but I can just, you know, it's just comfortable and it's a gas saver. It's a hybrid, like I mentioned, so it gets like what, 40 on average, like 48 miles per gallon. I'm like, that's insane. This car would give me like 17-ish on a good day. So yeah, I'm definitely saving money in that aspect. That's why I haven't been driving her as much, but I still love my STI and I'm not getting rid of her. Good morning guys. So it's been several days and today I'm actually on my way to SugarCoat to drop off my car. And like I said earlier, it's a bittersweet moment. I am sad to see the pink go, but I'm excited for this next color. If you know me, you know this is my favorite color. So if you know me, you know what color is next or what's coming. But I'm excited. The roll is back here. Shout out to Vinyl Frog. I ended up going with Vinyl Frog once again. They actually sent me this roll, so shout out to them. Make sure to check out their website. They have so many colors, so many new styles too, like the PPF kind. I would definitely recommend going with this vinyl wrap. I love the pink. It's so glossy, so shiny. I had no issues with it. I had it wrapped for about a year, I want to say, and literally no issues. The only thing that happened to me was obviously somebody hit me and they left, as you guys know, which is why I'm doing the whole color change. But other than that, I probably would have held on to the pink a little bit longer. I'm also going to be getting it wrapped by SugarCoat. Shout out to them. They're my day ones. They have been wrapping my car since the green. If you guys remember the green, very iconic. They did the pink and now they're gonna move on to the next color. They do such an amazing job. I always get compliments on my wrap. They always say it looks like paint because there's literally no imperfection. They do such an amazing job. So if you guys are looking to get your car wrapped, make sure to hit them up. Tell them that I sent you. That way you guys can get a discount. And yeah, I will see you guys once I get to the shop. They actually moved shops. They were previously in Hollywood and now they are in Glendale. I'm not sure which one is technically further from me, but I'm gonna head over right now. It's like a 37-minute drive. It is a Saturday, so there's no traffic. I'm actually heading out there with Alex. He's gonna give me a ride back and we might go get some breakfast, but I'm excited. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look. I'm also thinking of changing up my wheels, but I'll ask you guys on your opinion later. I'm gonna rock my current wheels right now and then I'll see what I do. But yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see the new color. So I just dropped off my car at SugarCoat and I'm excited. He said he should have it done by the end of the week. So I'll go pick it up on the weekend since I work Monday through Friday. But yeah, I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like. Like I said earlier, I'm really excited for this color and I hope you guys love it too. I'm not gonna show you guys the color in this video, so I'm gonna end it here. But stay tuned for my next video for the reveal. And like I said, I might wanna do something with my wheels, but I want to show you guys the color first and then get your opinion. But shout out to SugarCoat once again. Shout out to both Juans. They are amazing. They work together so quickly too. Like I mentioned earlier, they do such an amazing job. So if you guys do want to get your car wrapped, make sure to hit them up. They have really good pricing too. So they're out in Glendale now. Hit them up. Our Instagram's around here. And shout out to Vinyl Frog once again too. Their material is amazing. And if you guys are shopping for wrap, make sure to check them out. They have so many colors and they're very friendly. The shipping is insanely fast. When I ordered mine, I got it I think the next day or like 2 days after. It's crazy fast. But yeah, so I would definitely recommend going with them. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at STILIZ. And I'm also going to be dropping my new shirt for Better Tomorrow very soon. We had a hiccup, so we couldn't drop it yet, but we are good to go, so I will be launching it very soon. So stay tuned and make sure to follow us on Instagram at bettertomorrow.co. Bye!